Hey everyone, this is Glenna with Social CRM, and in today's video we're going to be going over a tool called triggers. Now what a trigger does is it's going to basically automate anything within your CRM. And by anything, I mean anything from your inbox to your emails, from your campaigns to your form builder. Absolutely anything within here, you can trigger it to where when people send you a certain text message with certain wording, or they send you an email, or they fill out a form, it'll send them exactly where they need to go automatically without you having to manually go in and move your contacts around. So I'm going to go ahead and go over a simple trigger, and I highly suggest that you go in yourself and you play around with it and you discover exactly everything you want it to do, because it is an amazing tool. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing first, as always, make sure you are logged into your account and you are on your dashboard screen. We're going to slide on over to the left and select triggers. Now here you see I have some already built out. You can select the settings and you can activate it, duplicate it, clone, assign a user, move it and make folders to hold all of them. So if you have certain triggers for emails or text messages, you can really organize everything exactly how you want it. And you can even share your triggers with other members of the CRM, which is really cool, because if you have a big team and you want everyone to be on the same page, you can share the same triggers so everyone looks the same. Now let's go ahead and start a new basic trigger. Select trigger item. We are doing a contact reply to me, and I want them to get an automated text message that sounds like me. So say I want them from a certain campaign, I can select what campaign, and it's going to reply to them with a text message. And it'll send to the contact that got added to that campaign, and that's the exact message they will get, and you can go ahead and save that trigger. Once it's saved, you can select the back button and it'll be right there. And that's as simple as that. So as people get added into that campaign and they send a message and they respond, they will get my automated text message. And it's such an awesome feature, and it has so many little things that will really make you stand out. I mean, if you look through here, it'll have anything from task reminders, stale opportunities. I mean, anything and everything. You can put a trigger and you can create rules and make it yours. So go ahead, play around with it, and figure out exactly what works for you. Hope you have a great day.